嘿，大家平安啊！今仔日要讲英语吼。Hey, hi guys. Hi guys. How was your day? Yeah, today we're gonna have a English chatting stream. But hey, good evening. Hey, you here? Good evening. But actually, I'm a bit nervous because I'm not so sure that if everybody could understand like a full English stream. So, 今仔日就是冠生有着啊烦恼吼，就是其實我嘛無確定，就是若陣冠生哦，規個直播哦，規個海信全部攏講英語哦，無確定大家敢聽有，所以哦，今仔日有一項重要的代誌吼，愛先宣布，就是嘿，小等吼，若陣有啥物聽無的所在吼，會當隨時甲我講啦，會當隨時甲我拍斷無要緊，吼我就用台語來解說。看安尼咁好。Okay, so yeah, and today is like just chatting. So just if you have anything okay, it's like that. I've prepared some topics to talk about. It's like I'll share some things I like and some things happened recently to me. Yeah, but if you have anything you want to talk with me and anything you want to ask me, just feel free to ask me in chat. Yeah. 小等就是冠生家己講家己，就是冠生家己有準備一個代誌吼，想要甲恁分享。毋過敢會使較大聲哦？我看賣啊，看感受遮有啥物問題？最近毋知影安怎哦，海信的時陣攏感覺家己足細聲，毋知影是設備有問題，還是冠生家己有問題吼？最近就是會感覺了要感冒的感覺，結果煞咧講台語啊！小等就是冠生有準備一寡我家己介意的代誌，甲我家己最近咧想的代誌，會使甲大家分享啦。毋過大家若是有啥物想要問的，想要甲我開講的，會使直接問，會使為迄個名堂，還是直接佇開講室，攏無問題。Okay. It should be an English chatting stream. So yeah, let's move on. 馬鈴薯，安尼敢有較大聲？Should I call you potato in English, or should I call you 馬鈴薯？I'm not so sure about that, but is it better now? Like, is it loud enough? Yeah, please let me know if it is still not loud enough. 明聰暗安 Hey, but today, yeah, we will try to, we try to do a full English chatting stream. Yeah, so I should try my best. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's dive into the hey, good night. But usually, if we're not going to sleep, then Guanxing would say good evening, because it feels like if you say good night, it's kind of it makes me feel like you're going to go to bed. That's when you say good night. But I'm not sure if this is. I'm not sure if this is correct, but it's just my feeling. Yeah. Hey, Bihun. Hey, I'm on Bihun. Good evening. 那會講好Okay. 台灣話一直走出來吼。Yeah. Okay. So first of all, I would like to share with you about my. Okay. Have you listened to the song that I recommend yesterday? Really want to know if you like that song. Yeah, I've listened to. I know if you have posted you have posted it in the Discord, and I've listened to it. Yeah, but it makes me feel like I would like to listen to every pieces of the band. So yeah. 冠生 wasn't very into Korean music, but yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, I like the song you post, so you can post more. Yeah, I think we have a yeah. Hey, Camber, good evening, Camber. 小等下中有聽無吼？會使用會使直接問。Okay, yeah, I don't really listen to Korean songs, but I like that one. Yeah, I like that one you posted. So, actually, I don't know if I have told you. I'm not sure if I told you a lot about that, but actually, I'm pretty into music. Although I don't consider myself as really good at making music, but still, I from time to time I try to create something. I try to write some songs still. So I don't know. Does anyone dislike music? I think music is just everyone likes music, right? I've never heard of anyone that doesn't like music. So and also I enjoy sharing about different types of music with each other. So yeah, I would love to hear from you that about the songs you like. Yeah. Do I compose? Do I write music? Hit 우선 I'm An. Hey, good evening, Usan. Do I write music? Yeah, I'm not sure. I can play a little bit, just a little bit of guitar. It's very not as a guitarist, but just a little bit. I can play some chords. Yeah. And I try to write music on my own, but it wasn't really professional. It's just do it as a hobby. Yeah. So does that count as writing music? I guess so. Hey, what's up, Ushi? Hey, Ushi. Good evening. Thomas, what's up, Thomas? Yeah, I'm An. Hey, I think it's a bit more difficult than I think to do a full English stream, but yeah, we'll do our best. Really hope that K band can get more attention as K idol. Yeah, indeed. And I think back in I'm not sure, but a lot of people also listen to the J idols, but I think J bands are more Japanese bands are a bit more popular than Korean bands among Taiwanese people. I'm not sure, but yeah, just this is just like my first trip in VR chat. Oh, you've tried VR chat. I haven't tried VR chat yet, so yeah, I'll love to try it if I have time. But yeah, maybe if you want to, I don't know, if you want to see me doing VR chat, then just tell me and I'll try to do it. Yeah, I would really love to hear about your thoughts about what you would like to see me doing. So yeah, feel free to tell me. Yeah. Good evening, chat. Hey, good evening, everyone. Hey. Okay. Okay. Since we're talking about music, so how about we just furry potato? Furry potato? Yeah. Okay. Furry, but I'm not sure if the word furry now makes people think of the certain group of people who are into the sexually attractive animal humanoids. I'm not sure if this is accurate, but yeah, furry potato sounds a bit weird to me. I would prefer to call you potato. Yeah, only potato. Yeah, J-Band have so many masters such as X Japan. They deserve that. Yeah. Yeah. Guanxing listen to Japanese bands more than Korean bands. Yeah. But I also, no one doesn't like music. They just don't like some kind of it. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, it's just like no one doesn't like food. They just don't like some kind of it. Yeah, indeed. But yeah, I think I've talked about this in my karaoke stream. Yeah, like I've heard that if you don't like to listen to new musics, then perhaps you're getting old. So yeah, please try to embrace different types of music. Yeah, to me, back in the time when I was a student, when I was a high school student, the music Grenier, it's pretty different from now. Yeah, I don't think there's Nico Nico music back in that time, but now I'm very into it. Hate to admit, because it sounds like I'm a weeb, but maybe I am. So yeah. Oh, Vtu hate music. But I think it's like their creed, their belief, like yeah, it's a bit I don't know how to put it in English, but 迄应该是因的迄个思想吼，因为迄个思想啊，因为灭祖是迄个灭家的灭祖对无？迄就是较，其實我無啥了解，還是莫有白講。Yeah. Hey, good evening, Bun Chong. Good evening. Wow. Everyone's wow. It feels strange. Like I'm used to talking to you in Taiwanese, and now we're just talking English. Wow. Hey, Bok Wu. Hi, good evening, bro. He hate music because in that days music is too expensive. Yeah. It's like 형唔知影急病要安怎講？急病就是형想袂起來英語的詞，老啊。迄陣就是因的思想就是無想要revolution. Yeah, thanks. It's like they don't want to spend too much money on like music, and also 迄要安怎講？辦迄個 the ceremony of funeral. Yeah. They don't want to spend too much money in funeral and what? And yeah, music sort of things. Oh, music that day is more like high level activity. Oh, I'm not sure, but I'm not sure about the YouTube quality, but I on my side it looks fine, so I'm not sure about that. Oh, music these days is more like a high level activity. Yeah, it's for rich people, right? It's not for the laborers, not for the peasants. Are they peasants in ancient Oriental region? I'm not so sure about that, but yeah, not only music but also not only music but also literature. Yeah, that kind of things are just only for rich people and powerful people. So yeah, the rough idea. That's the rough idea. Big Two just never heard of metal. Oh, I don't listen to a lot of metal, but I actually I like metal. I like metal music. But I'm not very not I wouldn't say I know much about metal, but I kind of like that. Yeah. It's just that I'm into too many genres of different kind of music. So yeah, and I actually I have prepared some musicians that I would like to share with you. And the first of all is you actually I think most of you have already known that Mitski, yeah, my favorite. Yeah, indeed my favorite artist. Yeah. I think most of you have listened to the song Last Words of a Shooting Star, which I sang before my debut stream. So I think you guys have already know that I'm really into Mitski and her masterpieces. So yeah. It's also an expensive thing to get education at that time. Back in that times, I think it's not only Oriental regions, but also the so-called Western regions. It's the like education and literacy, like even 就是用台語 yeah 就是 like literacy, like if you can read, and education, and also formal music. I'm not sure if that is the word, but these things are not for how to put that, not for ordinary people. They're just only for the powerful. So that is just how the time was. So have you listened to Rina Sawayama's song Rina? I think I've heard of this sound. I've heard of the sound of the name before, but I'm not so sure about that. I'm not so sure about who she actually is. So I'm just gonna Google it. Not yet, but I'll go listen to her songs right away, like after the stream. Yeah. Thanks. I think he really knows what I like. So yeah, thanks for a recommendation. Yeah. Mitski is also like I've looked it up. And Rina is a Japanese British singer. Mitski is also Japanese American. So it's not about that. It's not about that. It's better to get different DNAs or what. But I think if you've grown up in a family that has that gives you a chance to know different cultures, then it's 就是較多元嘛，就是若准你迄個家庭內底會當互你接觸到無共嘅文化哦，安尼可能你迄個眼界會更較開闊啦。And also, Taiwan is a place of very it's a place full of very different cultures. Like we have Formosan. Oh, I'm not sure about the best word for it. Like I'm afraid that this word is impolite, but like we have Aboriginal people, yeah, and we also have Hakka and Hororang. So it's and also we've been ruled by Japan before. So 就是我感覺台灣的這個多元的文化背景哦，嘛是足適合做咱這個寫歌，還是寫文學，還是做啥物創作的這個應用哦。嘿 ，Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah. Only nobility could get it, no matter where you are. Yeah. It's just the times. Yeah, it was like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think I've talked about Mitsuki a lot before, so how about that? Just skip it. And we also have Rebecca Sugar. I'm not sure if you have ever heard of her before, but I believe that I have mentioned her name in my debut stream. Yeah, and she's the creator of Steven Universe, the cartoon, which I'm very into, and she also writes a lot of songs for both Adventure Time and also Steven Universe, of course. Yeah. I really love her songs. Like if you have ever heard of if you have ever watched Adventure Time and listened to their original songs, then in the I'm not sure about how to pronounce this, but I have Google. Yeah, thanks Google. Indigenous. Yeah. Indigenous people. Yeah. Like I know that there's I know that back in before is that a word? I know that I know that people used to say Aboriginal people, but I 我一直有一個印象，就是應該今晚有講袂當用這個詞，頭拄仔想想袂起來。Yeah, indigenous. Yeah, thanks, Uchi. Yeah. You have listened to Mitsuki's song before, and you understand why I love her. So, yeah, I love her voice. Like, her singing is just, I don't know how to put it in words, but very human. No. Very. Yeah, I like the way she sings, and her melodies are just kind of unpredictable. Like, some of the songs, when you listen to some of the songs, even for the first time, especially some very catchy songs, or you can sort of predict the melody. You can sort of predict that where the melody goes, but for Mitsuki, I couldn't predict her melodies. So, but it sounds great. So, yeah, it's just wow, very amazing to me. Yeah. And we're talking about Rebecca Sugar and Adventure Time, right? Actually, how I began to know Mitsuki, it's about Adventure Time, because in one episode, in Adventure Time, there's a vampire. The vampire is called Marceline. Yeah, Marceline the vampire. She's a bassist, just like Mitsuki. And in one of their episodes, Marceline covered covered Mitsuki's song. Yeah, the song is called Francis Forever. Yeah, that's how I began to know Mitsuki. And that's the very first song that I listened to. Yeah. Oh, I still love the song. Yeah, but I think the song is pretty different from her other pieces. Maybe. Yeah, not. Yeah, but most of her pieces are just so sad, but beautiful. Yeah, Aboriginal have some negative meanings. Yeah, so we have to make sure not to use the word. Yeah. Okay. I forgot how to pronounce the new word. Indigenous. Okay, indigenous. Oh, I have to keep that in mind. Indigenous. Yeah, okay. Oh, and who? Conan Gray? I've heard of the name before, but I couldn't remember the pieces. So yeah, I think after the stream it'll be my music time. Yeah, so I'll make sure I listen to a lot of Rina and Conan. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I really recommend the musics in Steven Universe and Adventure Time, but the music sounds way better if you when you know the stories. So basically I'm just trying to make you watch Adventure Time and Steven Universe. Yeah, it's really truly touching to me. Yeah. Always forgot how to spell indigenous. Actually, Guanxing always forgot about a lot of spellings, and especially now I have keyboards and now I have technologies. I can type it in my phone and type it in my computer. So we are just getting more and more lazy. Not lazy, but we are just getting worse and worse remembering these stuff, remembering the spellings. So yeah, I'm not very good at remembering the spellings, so I know how it feels. Hey, Bodiki, good evening. Yeah, Steven Universe is amazing. Yeah, I think Rebecca Sugar is very just talented. She's some people say that Steven Universe is a story about the LGBTQ plus community, but I think it's way beyond that. It's I think, how about we could think we could put it this way: love is just love, and we don't really have to categorize them. So I would say that Steven Universe is a story about love, and Guanxing prefer not to categorize things because that would be boring to me. So like clothes. Why should we categorize clothes? I mean outfits into it's either outfit for women or it's either outfit for men. I think that's very unnecessary. Yeah, we could have a more how to put it in English. Yeah, we could have a more open-minded view on every single thing in our lives, and I think that makes me happy. So perhaps you can give it a try. 灰翠檸檬愛玉. Good evening. 即摆有一寡新朋友入来吼，就是今仔日冠生咧挑战吼，看敢会当转英语来海信哦。毋过就是若阵冠生讲了伤紧，若是安怎吼听袂清楚，会使直接甲我拍断。Yeah. Okay. Oh, and by the way, if you wanted to ask me or chat with me about anything, you can just type them in the chat, the chat room, and or in the marshmallow. Yeah, 要等面仔糖嘛会使吼，那阵恁歹势直接甲我问。Yeah. Okay. And recently, 大家应该Taiwanese again. Yeah. Also, there's other musical stuff like 变合会 yeah. Lîm, I think it's pronounced Lîm, their English name. And I just their pieces are just so amazing. Like nowadays how to put it, most of the bands would have Western musical instruments like guitar, bass, and keyboard, and that all that type of stuff. But Lîm is very special. Like they have our Taiwanese traditional musical instruments in their composition, in their songs, and even they have the recorder. Recorder. What's the recorder in Taiwan way? In Taiwan way. 对台湾话讲的拼仔，就是大家国校仔的时阵，也是，对啦，国校仔应该拢会分的迄个拼仔。Yeah. Lîm used a lot of recorders in their musical pieces, and it sounds great, and that's pretty mind blowing to me. So yeah, I guess most of you might have already heard a lot of Lîms. So just in case you didn't, just in case you haven't, I really recommend this band. And also, I have to mention collage. Collage， 就是華語講的考拉詞吼。Collage, yeah, it's a very special band, or is a duo? Yeah, I think it's a duo. A duo 就是雙人的組合吼。Yeah, they are also very special. Like Ga Quan, the songwriter of the 萬千回裡, and the series of the Ga Quan writes very beautiful words, to me, beautiful songs, and also Natsuko, it's an amazing singer. So it's a I would just I don't know what to say, but make sure you listen to Collage. And I know a lot of people wanted me to sing their songs, and I guarantee you, I promise I would do it in the future. Yeah, it's a must. But every time I sing 万千回裡, it's kind of makes me very sad. So I have to prepare a little. Yes. It's because Ga Quan wrote it too well. So yeah. Yes. 後擺的唱後擺的意思是in Taiwanese 後擺literally means next time, but when we say 後擺, we do not necessarily means next time. Yeah, it's like in the future. Yeah. 嘿，后摆无一定真正是后摆吼，咱台湾话讲后摆的时阵，有时就是以后的意思。嘿，唔知影大家敢有跟我同款的语感吼？哎，跟大家分享。Yeah. Perhaps in the next karaoke stream. Yeah, perhaps I think maybe I would collect a lot of not very happy songs and make it the topic of the next karaoke stream. 反正后摆歌会的主题吼，可能就是捡一寡无欢喜的歌，吼，捡做伙啦，变做一个主题安尼。Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. Okay, and yeah. 悲伤歌会，sad karaoke stream, something like that. Okay, and I don't know if you listen to this type of songs, like Nico songs, but this is a masterpiece. This is a song I really enjoy. It's called Vampire. Yeah. Deco Nina. It's an amazing producer. I really love his. Is it a he or her? Actually, I do not know. Yeah. Hey, Wu Xiang. Hey, good evening, Wu Xiang. Yeah. Guan Xing is very into vampires. I don't know why, but yeah. Oh, you're back. Hi, I'm Guan Xing. Nice to meet you back. There's a dad joke. I don't know. Oh, Deco is a guy. Okay. Because they don't usually put their pictures, right? And there's no need. So sometimes I get confused. Yeah. Okay. Deco Nina is a amazing producer. I also like the Animal. Yeah, it's I think it's newer than the Vampire. Yeah, he's got Animal and Parasite, and yeah, I just really enjoy these works. And also, yeah, Giga. I know Giga. Giga is more. I don't know how to put it in English, but it's more. It's a different kind of a. Yeah, of course. They would have very different styles, and yeah. Oh, have I ever heard of R sound design? R sound design. I think I've heard of the name, but I have not heard of his song yet. Yeah. Okay. I'll go listen to it after the stream. R sound design. Giga. Then do you know about there's a musical game? Yeah. Is it not musical game? Yeah. There's a game called I can't remember. The game is called Project what? Sekai? Yeah, Project Sekai. They have a lot of songs. From Nico, like Vocaloid songs. Yeah, and they have songs from they have songs of Giga, and yeah. I've played a little bit before, but not anymore. And yeah, that's how I get to know. It should be pronounced like Giga. It should be Giga, right? Yeah, it's how I get to know Giga's songs. Yeah, and it's very, very satisfying to listen to his songs. And also, I don't know if you have heard of Hachi. He's now he is now like he has two names, but it's for different. It's like a different character. Should I put it this way? But yeah, Hachi. And now he is using his different his another name. Yeah. And I really like Hachi's works. Like by liking Hachi's works, I mean that the song made when he was using the name Hachi. Yeah. I listen to a lot of Vocaloids, so yeah, you can call me a weeb. It's okay. I accept. So yeah. And I can't even remember his real name now. Okay. Yeah, Donut Hole. I like Donut Hole. It's a masterpiece. And also the video, the music video is very, could I use catchy on the video? But yeah, I like Donut Hole a lot. And also the Matryoshka, yeah, because it's a Russian word, so Matryoshka is also one of Hachi's masterpiece that I really enjoy. Yeah. Hey, GC 敬下順邦，感謝你讀。Hey, good evening. We're trying to do a full English stream, so 今晚咧做這個轉英語的，還是盡量轉英語吼。毋過若是有聽無講傷緊，若是安怎吼，連咪甲我講就好。Okay, let's move on. And I think it's pronounced Yonetsu Kenshi? Not very sure, but not very sure about that. But yeah, based on Google. So hey, yeah, nice to meet you. 敢是初見啊？敢是初見？ I think we haven't met before, so 初見平安。Okay. Okay, where are we? Okay. Yeah, and also I don't know if you know Wowaka. Wowaka is also a very talented producer, I think, and his Mother Goose. The song is called the full name. The full name is not only Mother Goose, but people call it Mother Goose. And not only Wowaka is just a godlike musician. And the Rolling Girl. Yeah, I really enjoyed his piece, the Rolling Girl. It's also very catchy. Yeah, catchy. And yeah, I know he has a band, amazing band. But he passed away a few years ago, I think. So yeah, but if I got it right, the band is still producing new music, right? Yeah. Is that kind of a rice lawyer? Nah, it's just obegong of a musician. It's just people can't remember his correct name. Yeah, the band is still going. Yes. Yeah. But I really like his works. Yeah. Hey, 想要叫咩啊? Okay. Okay, finally, the final mention. There's also one called Pinocchio. Yeah, Pinocchio P. Also very very stylish. I'll say it's very stylish. Stylish 就是風格真明顯。Yeah, very stylish musician, and yeah, I love his works too. And you can try to not you can yeah, you can try. Give it a try, please. Okay. Yeah. I think that's pretty much all I've prepared about musical stuff. Yeah. Hey, but just feel free to recommend anything, any music to me. Yeah, I would really appreciate that. Yeah. His characters are very cute. Like he draw the very tiny Mikus. Yeah, it's a very not only the tiny ones, but also not his lyrics. Indeed. Yeah. The style of the song, the atmosphere, it's a really a cute atmosphere, I would say, but not the lyrics. Yeah, indeed, not the lyrics, not the lyrics, but yeah. It's just amazing. I can't even find words for that. Okay. Yeah, okay, so the next topic would be games. Yeah, I've played a lot of games on my streams, but there's a few games I am considering to play or not to play. Yeah, Japanese people really know how to write cute songs with scary lyrics. Not only Pinocchio P. They are just really good at this. I don't know why, but and not only the lyrics, they're even very good at conveying scary concepts, scary horrible stories through very cute styles, cute characters. And, that's a talent. Yeah. Okay. Hey, did you guys know Danganronpa? It's also a Japanese game, and I really like the art style, and it's also very kind of scary. Yeah. Okay, but it's quite old, so I don't think I would play that. I don't think I would play that on my stream, because maybe but maybe a lot of people already know the plot. So, okay, but time for the stuff about games. Recently, some people have asked me about am I interested in playing Pokemon? Yeah. And like 冠生其實就較like 冠生 is actually very into card games. So although a lot of people was asking me about would I play Pokemon video games, but hey, I'm a card game person. Like I play Yu-Gi-Oh. Yeah, you guys a lot of you already know that. And also I play Magic the Gathering. It's also a very not mainstream, but a very popular card game in the world. Yeah. So I'm thinking like a lot of people are enjoying Pokemon, and also I enjoy card games. So why don't we do Pokemon card game streams? Yeah, I'm thinking about that, but I'm not so sure if you would like that. So please let me know. Yeah. How about hi Asu, hi. We're trying to do a full English stream. So Car games. No, not car. I didn't pronounce it very well. Okay, card games. Okay, card games. Yeah, especially trading cards. Like you can collect different cards. That's a very satisfying thing to me. So yeah, should I play Pokemon card on stream? Yeah, I'd like to ask you about this, so feel free to let me know. Yeah. And I have noticed some other interesting games that I would like to play on my streams. And and I'm a bit thirsty, so I would like to get some coffee. Ta-da! Yeah. I'm taking a sip. Good. Hey, do you have coffee at night? I think most of the people would get sleeping problems if they have coffee at late night, but not for me, because Guanxing don't really sleep, so yeah, okay, not very important. Okay, so I've seen a lot of you. Oh, not a lot, just 3 of you. 3 of you wanted me to play Pokemon card on stream. Yeah, okay, I will consider about it. Okay, but there's also a lot of different games I would like to try, so I would okay, let's go with this one. Shotgun King. This is on a, yeah, you can see this is a chessboard. Do you play chess? Like Guanxing does not really play chess, but I know the rules. I know the rules, but I can't play it because it's a complicated game. But this is a very interesting video game. It's called Shotgun King, and basically it's like playing chess, but you have shotgun. Yeah. Like the game, yeah, it has a backstory. Yeah. The story is like that the Black King was huanbui by the other black chesses. Oh, betray. The word is betray. Yeah, the Black King was betrayed by all of his other black chesses, and so he has to fight with all of the white chesses on his own. 伊爱就是这个黑色的国王吼，伊的迄个别的机子吼，拢反背伊吼，所以伊爱家己一个人甲白色的全部的机子来这个小战啊 ，yeah， so it's very interesting. Like you have no friends, but you got a shotgun, so yeah, good luck. And yeah, I think I would like to play this maybe soon. Yeah, very soon. I think I would like to play this and get a stream and let you watch. Yeah. Oh. 小鱼瓜应该无读唔对吼。It's very famous in 敢是初見，應該是初見啊，初見平安。It's famous in Harry Potter's movies. Oh yeah, the chess. I remember when I watched the movie, I was very impressed about the like they just move the chess like with their like 因就是用讲的，迄个机子就会直接刷位哦，迄个而且因个会当就是，迄明明就是石头做的，个会当安尼相拍，哦哇哦，画面足好看啦，but yeah， 嘿，足欢喜熟悉新朋友哦 ，Nice to meet you，Nice to meet you，Nice to meet ya。Okay, yeah, and there's also much more interesting things. This is called sketch crawler. Sketch crawler. Do you know what is a sketch? Sketch. To sketch is like that. Use a pencil or pencil or something similar, and to do a rough drawing of things. 咱讲迄个素描啦，素描都是用笔通常是鉛筆就簡單來畫，較簡單來畫，這叫做 sketch. Yeah. And in this game, you are like get into a dungeon. 迄種地下城迄種愛相拍迄種。You can collect different things and fight monsters. But the most interesting part is that you get to so big. Where's my hey. Oh, this is way too big. Yeah, okay. How about we just try not to resize? Yeah. You get to draw your own enemies, and you get to draw your own weapons and even spells. 伫这个 game 内底吼，你的迄个敌人吼，你捡到的物件啦、道具啦，拢是家己爱画。Hey, I'm an artist. Yeah, I think most of you have already know that. I'm very good at drawing. You can go check my debut stream, and you know I'm a very, very masterful artist. Yeah, so yeah, it sounds very interesting to me because you get to draw your own enemies. Wow, that just sounds awesome. So, and it's free. The game is free. This game is free, so maybe you can give it a try, and I think I will give it a try soon. Yeah, it's also gonna be a stream. Yeah, so it's like that. I'm thinking of doing more game streams. Yeah, besides it's been almost Parkour and Minecraft in my game streams. So I like to try different things. Can you use AI? You mean the software from Adobe? Or do you mean artificial intelligence? I'm not sure, but it looks like in this game you only get to draw with the UI, with the interface provided in the game. Yeah, so I don't think so, but it will also be a very interesting thought if we make a game about that. Yeah, it's a bit sad. Oh, but yeah, it's also a very interesting topic, the thing about the whole AI drawing stuff. Yeah, but it would be too long if we discuss about this. Yeah. Hey Ruby, 欢迎登来 Ruby, welcome back. Right. Okay. And talking about future streams, I also, if AI can draw item in game, that must be interesting. Yeah, because because they can make a lot of different combinations in a short time. So indeed, I think AI would be like it couldn't replace the real. That's what I think, but it might be wrong. But I think the AI would not really replace all of the artists and of the like designers, but it would be helpful for them. Like now, actually a lot of songwriters they even use artificial intelligence to help them write songs. Like they can provide some chord progressions, or they can provide some melodies just through a few clicks. Yeah. So I think this kind of technology it's helping us to create things more easily. Yeah. Nah, I'm not so sure about that, but yeah, future stuff is always unpredictable. Yeah. Okay, you just love to see about AI doing stupid works, AI doing laughable art. Since Guanxing really likes to play trading card games, and if you have known a little about it, then you might know that these kind of card games would have but usually complicated descriptions on the cards. And I know there's people try to write an AI and to create random cards. Like actually on my Twitter, I'm following an account, and they post random AI made Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and they come with very laughable and stupid card effects. Yeah. So yeah, I think I know what you were trying to get your fun. And yeah, it's really funny to watch AI do stupid things. So yeah. Okay. Oh, and since we've talked about future streams, there's also something I'm thinking of, like today we're doing this full English stream, basically because I found that we haven't speak a lot of English after I started streaming. So I'm thinking of doing more English, full English streams in the future, like maybe start from next week. So I'm thinking there's two kind of things I would like to try. The first one is to talk in English with other Taiwanese people. Yeah. And I think it would be very interesting. Like, hey, I have to say this. I am not an English teacher of 單獨心。大家聽清楚，我唔是獨心嘅英語老師。I am not teaching 單獨心 English。唔是咁樣講啦。I haven't taught her any English. Yeah, but I'm thinking perhaps it would be interesting if we do a collab. If I teach her English in the future, do you want to watch? Would you like to watch this? Watch me suffer. Oh my god. Yeah. if you want to watch me suffer, then I would do that. So okay, I'm really considering to have a English teaching stream with 咱的心。想要看我受苦的吼，我会使甲我讲，我真正会考虑就是来教就心英语好不好？ This is fan service. This is fan service. Okay, it's for you. It's for you. It's not for the sim. 是为着恁哦，是为着okay, you love watching streamers suffer. Thank you. Yeah. 是为着恁才来安尼受苦吼，绝对对啊，毋是因为着心吼，毋是为着伊吼。But okay. Yeah. Sure. Okay. And besides of teaching people English, and not really teaching, but just chatting English, and I'm also thinking that okay, yeah, I know you want to watch me suffer, and it's fine, perfectly fine. I do not feel uncomfortable about this. I'm fine. 好啦，无啦，真正无要紧啦。为着恁吼，啥物拢做会出来。Yeah. Okay. And where was I? Oh, hi Leah. I'm An. We're trying to do咱即摆咧转英语海信，想要挑战看卖。若阵讲伤紧，还是听无，就甲我讲。Okay, and I'm also thinking that多謝大家，thank you all for voting for me. Oh, tomorrow there's a very important thing you have to do. You have to go out and vote. Okay. Tomorrow there will be the voting for the 就是九合一选举嘛，毋若是选举，佮有迄个公投，the referendum 公投，it's also very important. Yeah, whether you agree or not, make sure to vote. Yeah, make sure to 表达要安怎讲。Yeah. Go out and vote. Yeah, please. There's no any streams tomorrow. It's because we want you to go out and vote. And have a nice day. Yeah. Okay. Please remember. Yeah, show your to show your opinion through your ballot through your ballot through your voting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hey. Oh, where was I? I was talking about the future streams. Yeah. I'm thinking perhaps I could do collabs with people from different regions, and maybe we could have a sort of chats with our different cultures. I think that could be interesting. And also I'm thinking if I found someone and we teach each other our native languages, yeah, that will also be pretty interesting, I guess. So yeah, and not that suffering. It's not as much as suffering like teaching the same English. Yeah, but I imagine it would be also very interesting. So yeah, maybe we can do that in the future. Yeah. Oh, talking about learning new languages. I don't know. I'm thinking of like learning Japanese, and also I like to learn Hakka. Yeah. So, but hey, do you guys know an app called Duolingo? Duolingo is a app for learning languages, and I'm trying to learn some Japanese through Duolingo, but there's not very many languages to choose from, and I can't learn Hakka through Duolingo, so that's sort of a painful thing. Painful? Yeah, painful. That's sort of a painful thing recently happened to me. Yeah. Okay. And we also have we have too many things to talk about. Yeah. Okay, if you want to learn Hakka, I think you can start from watching Hakka drama. Oh, yeah, I know there's some amazing Hakka dramas nowadays. Like, I know there's one about the, is it called Undertaker? Yeah, I think it's called Undertaker. Like, when people pass away, there's people to take them to the last journey of our lives, and I know there's a Hakka drama about that, and it's I've watched the first, or maybe the first and the second episode of that. It's not a full Hakka. It's there's also a lot of Mandarin, but there's a lot of Hakka languages. There's a lot of Hakka used in the drama. So yeah, I think I could try to finish it. Yeah. Okay. And do you have any specific recommendations of the dramas? I know there's a Japanese drama about a lawyer. Yeah. And I'm not sure about how to pronounce his name, but I believe that I've seen that it's also dubbed like a voiceover. Yeah, I believe that it got a voiceover in Hakka. Yeah, and I would like to watch that, but I haven't found it yet. I think it's not on YouTube, but I will try to find that. Legal high. What's legal high? I will take a look. Oh no, I mean the Hanzawa Naoki. Hanzawa, like his famous saying is the 十倍很好的安尼哦，10倍还是2倍？袂记得啦。哎呀，唔是律师哦，救命！唔是律師啊，伊唔是律師哦。我太一直記唔到啊。Oh, he's a banker. Oh, he's a banker. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, Wu-Xing really like Hanzawa. Really? Oh, okay. So, okay, he's a banker. Oh. Yeah, but I believe that they got a Hakka voiceover of the drama. So, yeah, I'll try to find it. It just sounds very interesting. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. 台北歌手，这敢是戏出的名？哦，看起来是呢。Okay. Oh, I've never heard of this before, and wow, it's on YouTube. Great. It's on YouTube. Wow, then Oh, hey, perhaps I can do a Hakka learning stream. Yeah. So okay, thanks a lot for recommendation. Try to watch it. Thanks. Okay. It's a bit thirsty, so I have to take a sip. Okay. I'm gonna check my marshmallow. Looks like no one's sending messages in it. Okay. And how about, I think it's time for some midnight snacks already. I'm gonna do some very brutal things to you. Yeah, I'm going to do some very bad things to you. I'm going to talk about food. Yeah. Oh, why is it so big? Why does it always have to be? Oh. Wait, why? And I can't even properly resize it. Oh, I can. Okay. Time for looking at some foods, you guys. Takoyaki. Yeah, you already know that I like wangui a lot, so we don't need to talk about wangui. Wangui is just perfect, incredible. Yeah. So today we're gonna talk about other foods. Have you tried takoyaki? And it's actually pretty different. Sorry, I'm burping. Takoyaki is very different in Taiwanese night markets, and in Japan. I think, because I haven't been to Japan yet, but I've tried the frozen ones imported from Japan. So based on this knowledge, I think they are different. Okay, but do you guys know a little secret? Yeah, this is a little secret of me, and I'm gonna tell you. I don't really like. I do not really like mayonnaise. Oh no. I know most of the people are okay with mayonnaise, but not for me. Yeah. But there's an exception about takoyaki. Yeah. I don't know why, but I'm okay with the mayonnaise in takoyaki. But yeah. But why? But why does don't you think that it's pretty amazing that oh, you don't like mayonnaise either? Okay. Okay, we're friends now. I think it's pretty incredible that no, not incredible. Incredible. It's pretty incredible that in Taiwanese night market there's so many different foods from all over the world. Like nowadays we have I think almost every single night market would have takoyaki, and also the Indian milk tea and Thai milk tea and way more. Yeah, like shawarma. Shawarma is like I think it's an American food, maybe. Yeah. I said incredible, not on purpose. Yeah. Okay. I think it's pretty amazing that Taiwanese night market has food from all over the world, but also still has a lot of Taiwanese native foods at the same time. It's pretty amazing. And I don't know if you get breakfast from breakfast shops, but it's the same thing. Like wow, Taiwanese food culture is just, it's just, yeah. And that's I appreciate that. Like, 敢袂当讲是杂菜吹。I'm not sure if it's a positive meaning of 杂菜吹, but yeah, but it's pretty incredible. like because 冠生 oh, okay. yeah. But what like 冠生 goes to breakfast shops like every single morning, and I enjoy the 冷饼哈，就是 cheese omelette very much. Yeah. Do you guys have cheese omelette with soy? Hey, cheese 冷饼一定爱用豆油吼。嘿，这种物件敢若有台湾人会食，就是。It's like cheese is a Western thing, and soy is a Oriental thing, but they just match so well. Yeah, I could even imagine the cheese omelette with soy right now. I could imagine the taste. It's just fits so well. Yeah. Huh? Cheese 冷饼，无爱能。安尼都不是冷饼。Yeah, but so it's only the 饼 and the cheese. Okay, it sounds okay to me, but yeah, a cheese 冷饼can have no egg, but why? Okay. But I like it with soy. I don't know. I like it with soy. I think it tastes good with soy. It's like a more salty version, a salty version of cheese, and it tastes great. Yeah. What do you mean by exactly? You mean? Wait, what? Why? So you guys don't have it with soy, really? Hey, but if you are worried about making it too salty, then just don't add that much. Yeah. 豆油哥是甜的吼，嘿。毋过豆油嘛袂歹啊。文聰哥 okay, 文聰 have this with soy sauce. Okay. Oh, so I'm not alone. Thanks, 文聰. Okay. Yeah. It's it tastes better if it goes with southern soy sauce. Yeah, but it's also fine with the northern salty ones, to me. Yeah, just don't add them that much. Oh no, 各位迄个吼，食米总够贱啊，这袂煞呢，啥物拢有法度贱。哇，安尼看起来，迄个食米是比政治佫较敏感的话题吼。Okay, yeah. And what else? Oh, yeah, food war. Yeah. Okay, where were we? Also, talking about the Taiwanese food culture. This is also a very interesting food to me. 最近知影这叫做牛粒哦，这叫做牛粒。有人讲这是英语。Some people would call this macaron, but it's actually different. Yeah, I don't know if you have tried the real. Is it? Yeah. The not real, but the Yeah, the real. I don't know if you have tried the real macaron from French, and it is very different from these Taiwanese snacks. They just look alike, but they taste very different, and I think that is amazing. Yeah, and yeah, I love this even more than the French ones, and the French ones are so expensive. OK， sweet 来律心，嘿，你欢喜就好。不要紧，我知影就是律心伫大家心中是甜的哦，啊，毋过迄是伊的迄个，迄是伊的迄个表面的迄个，互恁的幻觉啦。哦，啊，毋过无要紧吼，因为甲伊带同一间庙的人，敢若我啦，哦，我家己授课就好，恁会使继续活伫即个美好的面房内底。Nah, just kidding. Okay. Yeah, this is very different from macaron, and I think this tastes even much better than the French ones, and the French ones were 要求贵. Yeah, so yeah, but it's just different people had different tastes, so it's nothing wrong with the French ones. And have you ever tried a kind of cake? Like I don't have the picture because of the copyright stuff, so I failed to find the picture of it. But have you ever tried a kind of traditional cake? 就是古早味的鸡卵糕吼。And it's like a chessboard, like it has different colors, and it's usually 3x3 square, okay? And it's made of different flavors of cakes. Like you always got the original and strawberry and chocolate. And they just put these 3 flavors together and to make it a 3x3 chessboard. And it tastes normal. 就是唔知影大家敢有食过一种鸡卵糕吼，就是伊是用迄个3种无同的口味甲斗做伙吼，就是伊会甲切做迄个细条还是细块，对，伊咧制作的过程中是切做细条啦。哦，啊，毋过就是到尾伊个会切一摆吼，就变做一块一块。啊，分别就是会有3种无同的口味，啊，就是甲因切甲足油，嘛毋是足对，切甲足油，啊，佮爱甲重新斗起来，用迄个牛奶油，爱甲伊斗起来，啊，就变做一个。有甲迄个鸡盘，看起来那鸡盘的即种鸡卵糕，啊，通常会有3种口味，就是气泡啊、巧克力豆，啊，佮有迄个原味，那像以早较流行即种的，就是古早味的一种鸡卵糕啦。啊，其实冠生一直拢无啥了解，就是为什么你爱甲3种无同的口味安尼斗做伙，啊，有够搞工的，啊，其实食起来就是。你一喙食落去，你嘛分袂清楚迄3种口味啊！啊，安尼你是安怎卖规气？就是做一块，拢揽做伙就好。Yeah, that's the Hong Kong food, right? But it's more like 迄种鸡盘较像是迄个跳棋的对无？较无像是迄个四角角形的迄种鸡盘。Yeah, but yeah, it's also very tasty. I like the. Oh, I can't speak their language, but I like the. Is it a pancake? Can I call it a pancake? Perhaps. Egg pancake? Nah, not egg pancake. But yeah. I like that thing. Okay. You can share about your fate Yeah. What happened? What happened? And it'll be our last topic tonight. Alright. Yeah, it feels bad. Like, it always feels very bad if there's a food stand you really enjoy and it's just gone. They just left you. They are just too good for this world. And they just abandoned you. Oh yeah, it feels the deepest pain in your soul. It's like the greatest sorrow you can have in your entire life. Yeah, I understand. It's devastating. Disaster. Yeah, okay. Hey, it's about time. Like, yeah, I believe that we were trying to end this in the 9:30, right? So, yeah, thank you all. Thank you very much for come and chat with me, and I hope. 上尾遐苏格林伤过困难嘛吼，为伫就是雕工想要讲一个较中字哦，较有效果的一个怪的事哦，全部拢走出来安尼。新小一个教育团体吼 ，Yeah， 若总有人行吧会使 ，Yeah， 新小 is an educational group. Yeah, indeed. 今仔日迄个教学性质有够重吼，希望大家莫听甲困去。Yeah, and thank you all very much for come and chat with me. And I'm looking very forward to have more, to do more English speaking streams with you. So, yeah. But that's yeah. Thank you for not falling asleep. Yeah. Hey, but if it's too difficult or too boring, you just feel, or maybe too easy, yeah, you can let me know. So I might adjust a bit. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's pretty much for today, and I look very forward to do more English speaking streams. So, yeah. Okay, thank you all for coming. So it's time for calling your names. No, it's time for saying goodnight. Yeah. So let's see. Okay. 无咱照顺序好啊。Okay. Good night, Yuhi. Good night, Bunchong. Good night, Asu. Good night, Ruby. Okay. And who else? Who else want to get some good night? No. Okay. Then yeah, okay. Potato, good night. Yeah. Good night, everyone. YU, good night. Yeah, wish you all a good night. Yeah, thanks very much for everyone. Yeah, okay. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Yeah, see you in my next stream. It's on Sunday. Wuxing and I are playing Moving Out. So, yeah. Please come and see us. 律心有代志吼，所以一礼拜就是袂甲咱做伙耍，袂甲阮做伙耍。Yeah. Okay. That's all for today. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. See you all on Sunday. Bye bye.